is up, you guys? It's your girl Aunt Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you guys, I filmed this pop-in Sasha Fierce vibe kind of hairstyle today. I did something creative with elastics, and I think it is really cute, so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys how to do in this video. But before we hop into that, if you guys are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. But don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when I post new videos, because I don't want you guys missing anything. But if you guys are not new, thank you so much for kicking it with me and supporting me. So without further ado, let's just get right into this video. Alright guys, so I actually just washed my hair, and you can check the video before this one because I went from straight to curly hair, and in that video I showed you exactly what I did to wash my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off. Alright guys, so I'm just taking out these twists, and this is how my hair is looking. There's absolutely no product in it, and I'm just taking all of these twists down so I can start sectioning off my hair and prepping it for the style. Alright, so I'm thinking I'm going to do a braid out, but with some sort of like an elastic kind of design in the front. So I am going to section my hair off in the front right here. Alright guys, so I'm just making a middle part, and I'm not going all the way down. I'm just hitting the middle of my head, and then I'm stopping, and then a marker is going to be just before you hit the back of your ear. You are going to part it. So at the side, you're going to hit just before you hit the back of your ear, and that's how you know how much hair to take. You don't want the part to be behind your ear because it's just gonna, and personally I don't like when it has a lot of hair in that part, if that makes any sense. I'm sure you'll understand as I go on. So yeah, you're just gonna section that off and eventually just make those parts a lot cleaner before you move on to the next step. I'm just gonna put some oil in my hair because my scalp is super dry. And just to make these parts a little bit cleaner, I'm using the Touchdown Edge Tamer. And I'm gonna part like just above here. So like I did before, I'm using my edge control just to clean up the part, and then I'm just going to section off the bottom half so that it's out of my way. So once you're done this step, you should have 4 sections with 2 on each side. So up next, I'm adding the Too Soft leave-in conditioner from 4C Only. I also have a tutorial and review of the entire 4C collection line, so I will have that listed in the cards above. But if you don't have this leave-in conditioner, just make sure that you put some sort of leave-in in so that your hair is moisturized, it is soft, and it is definitely more manageable while you're doing the style. So I'm taking one of the large sections, and as you can see, I am now splitting it into 2. It took some time to make sure that both of those sections were even, but that's what it's looking like. And then I'm going to take one of the 2 sections and split that in half, so you're creating 2 little squares. So each big section should have 4 small squares. Alright guys, so once you have everything in your elastics, you should basically have 16 little squares on your head, so 8 squares on each side. So next you're just going to take that top section, and you're going to take that first square, use some edge control or gel, and you're going to start twisting that section, and then you're going to attach it with an elastic
diagonally to the other square, if that makes sense. So just watch what I'm doing. And I actually use 2 elastics for this step because I want to make sure that it's nice and secure. So once you're done that, you're going to take the other side and cross it in the opposite direction. And again, just use 2 elastics to secure this so that it doesn't, if an elastic breaks, it doesn't come loose. And I'm just going to do this on the other section. So I'm going to do 2 more crisscross patterns, and then the last 2 sections at the bottom, you're actually going to attach them to themselves. You're not going to do a crisscross. So yeah, hopefully you guys got that with me showing you, but I didn't want you guys sitting here all day just watching me put elastics in. So this is how the style looks at the front, and now we're going to start doing the braid out at the back. So my hair did start to dry out, so I'm just using a spray bottle to moisten my hair again, and then I'm adding the Too Soft leave-in conditioner. You guys can add any leave-in conditioner, but I really do like this one paired with the styler. So I'm just adding this, and as you can see, it really gets my curls popping, but it's hella moisturizing, you guys, and it just really agrees with my type 4 hair. So I just smooth that through my hair, and I'm lightly finger detangling before I go in with my wide tooth comb to detangle before I start braiding. Okay, so we're going in with the Too Slick styling cream by 4C only, and I'm just applying a generous amount to my curls. I love this styler, you guys. It just gives me definition, it gives me softness, it gives me moisture. I highly recommend if you have similar hair to mine or anywhere from 4A to 4C hair. So I'm just gonna section that off, and this is the section that I'm working on. So part of the section from the front and then the rest of my hair. I am using my Denman brush just to further detangle, and then I'm just gonna start braiding. Alright, so this is how my hair is looking with the front done and the rest of my braids. I do have to go back and fix that section because I think the elastic broke, but other than that, I really do like how it turned out. And next I'm just going to go ahead and put some Eco Styler at the front of my hair just to clean my edges up just a little bit more. And before I went to bed, I tied my hair down with a satin scarf and a bonnet as well, but I also sat under the dryer for about an hour and a half. So I banded my hair just for some added stretch, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take these down. Alright, so this is what I'm looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and get some coconut oil just to minimize the frizz, as you guys know I do, and I'll be right back. Alright, so just putting this all over. I'm just gonna put this up so you guys can see exactly what my hair looks like. I'm really praying that I'm really hoping that my hair is dry because I spent a lot of time underneath the dryer, but I started my hair really late, so I don't know if it's gonna be completely dry, guys, so we'll see. So my hair is still a little bit damp. So I think after I take these out, I am going to go and sit under the dryer before I start separating because that will lead to a lot of frizz.
Okay, so this is how my hair is looking now that I have now that I've taken down my braids. So next I'm just gonna use this Curly Coily Tresses I believe it's, yeah, pumpkin seed oil. I'm just gonna put a little bit in my hands, putting about this much. Just squeezing that into my hair. One thing I love about this styler and leave-in is that my hair just starts to naturally separate and I don't get a lot of frizz that way, which is what I want.
So you can separate as much as you like, but just note that the more you separate, obviously the bigger your hair is and the more frizzy it will most likely be. So I'm just going to do the exact same thing to the other side, and then I'm going to come back to you and show you what it's looking like. Alright guys, so I have not even fluffed this yet and it has so much volume, and that's just how my hair looks every single time I use this styling cream. I love it, as I already said. So next I'm just gonna use my pick to fluff out my hair, because you guys know I love me some big hair. So just for some extra razzle dazzle, I added these gold clips to the front of my hair. At first I was thinking about adding them to all of the sections, but I decided to just add them to not be too extra and just add them to the first four where the elastics are, and that was pretty much it, you guys.
Alright, so this is the final look, you guys. I really do love it. She's serving like Sasha Fierce vibes. But yeah, I actually am super happy with how this turned out. I wasn't sure if I should put more of these clips, but I feel like it'll be overkill if I add some more. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. Comment down below if you guys are feeling this look and if you think you will recreate it. I would love to see you guys recreate this style. I'm really here for this. I think it looks super cute and creative and fresh, and I am clearly loving how my hair and makeup turned out today. This was a nice little pick-me-up. But yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for supporting your girl. Thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't already, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because I don't want you guys to miss any more videos. But for now, you guys, I'm gonna say toodles, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.